In this discussion, we will see how to use search underscore count method. And if you missed previous discussion about how to use search method in detail, please check, link is given in description. Let me move to the browser screen for the record purpose. Going to student menu, you can see total 16 records is available as a active stat. And if we have filter with the archived records, you can see 6 records is also available in database as archive mode. If you don't know about soft delete and hard delete, you can see in description or in playlist. You will get idea about how to use this active and inactive records from Odoo. So total is 22 records is available in database, but the thing is only active records is 16 and inactive record is 6. Just remember this total records. Now we are going to search all the records based on the search underscore count method. So going to terminal, and you can see this is our terminal, and here I am going to show you how to use this search underscore count method. Let me show you. Like, first we will add one object, obj equal to self.env, and here we will use student model stud underscore obj. We have to use here search underscore count, and what we have to do is here, like, we have to use here condition. If you are not provide any condition here, then you can simply use only this blank list, and once you will try to click enter, you will get total number of records. But if you have to remember one thing is, it will always get active records. Archive records, you have to add one condition in list in parameter. If you remember the last discussion about search method, over there we had discussed about how to use where condition actually. So same thing, we have to use something like that, like the list. Then after we have to use as a tuple. In tuple we have to use 3 parameters. The first parameter we have to use colon name, which is exist in this student profile, and then after the operator here, like equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, then after in, not in, like. So such operator we have to use here in second position, and the third position is the value. Like, let's say if you want to search the name of the student, you can use here string, but if you want to use as a float fee, like float value, like total fees or currency underscore id, so it's depend on the column. If you are using if you have search any field based on the string parameter, then you have to use here as a string. If you are using any float field, then you have to use something like that, or integer. So like this way you can also use, but here we will try to add like active equal to, we are using here boolean false. So we will get the total number of records which is archived in this student model. It will give always in integer. So you can see total 6 records is available in archived mode, and this method specially use, like, you have to search the criteria like whatever you want, and then it will give a return value result as an integer. The main purpose is, if you don't want to return as a record set, but you need only total number of records from the database, so that time you can use this search underscore count method. So this is the purpose of this method, like whatever you are passing here as a parameter, like in SQL terms it's a where condition, and return should be as a integer, like total number of records. That's it. And one more thing is, if you are providing like only search underscore count and without the list, then it will the Odoo raise the error because we at least we have to provide one parameter, which is blank string. Blank string means it will execute all the records from the record set from the database. It will fetch all the records from the database. But if you want to use something like you want to use conditions, then you can just simply use something like that. Let me show you the total number of records from the database. And we have to use here or sign. So total records is 22 records available in database end. So something like this you have to use with the search underscore count. If you have any doubt, please comment below and see you in next session.